In this video, we will see how to create and edit part sheets in StruBIM Steel. The program can also be used to create and edit connection sheets, assembly sheets, and model view sheets. These are explained in other videos in this series. StruBIM Steel can create and produce detailed graphic documents of the steelwork structure using the sheet creation and editing options. These sheets describe the geometry and detailed views of the structure using various 2D and 3D views, dimensioning systems, tables, and information texts. Let's see how to create and edit part sheets in StruBIM Steel. Part sheets show only one element, either a section or plate, and graphically document its geometry. To create them, we go to the Documents tab in the program's General Interface and click on the Parts button from the Sheets group in the top toolbar. The parts of the structure must be numbered in order to use this tool. If they are not, the program launches the numbering process. Now we select the part in the model by clicking on it with the left mouse button. This opens the Edit Sheets window. This interface is shared with OpenBIM Layout and has similar options. Therefore, it is advisable to check the documents associated with this program to learn how to use it. On the left-hand side, in the Sheets section, we can see that the program has generated a sheet with the name of the part that is associated with the Part Sheets group, if this has been defined in the Generation options. If desired, further sheets can be created and edited here to document the selected part. Then, in the Layers section, we check the layer generated to hold the template, which may include the title box, as well as the active editing layer. If necessary, we can create and edit more layers, as well as manage their view on screen. Below, in the corresponding section, the categories of the elements in the scenes, once they have been entered in the selected sheet, are shown. The Snappable column allows us to control whether the elements of each category can be snapped or not when using the rest of the options available in the sheet editing. To add information to the selected sheet, we use the tools in the top toolbar. Here, we find options for managing templates and styles, adding drawing elements on each sheet such as lines and texts, as well as organisation and editing tools. The most useful ones include the following. In the Drawing Elements group, from the 3D Scene menu, we can insert views manually or select Insert Predefined Views, so that the program automatically generates a group of views of the selected part. If we use this last option, in the window that appears we control the appearance, the title of the views and their dimension. We carry out the selection of the views to generate, and we manage the sheets where they are inserted. We can also open the Tables menu to insert a predefined table. In this case, it is a table displaying the use of the part in the assemblies. The program can include this type of table in the sheet template. On the other hand, allows us to generate information automatically by selecting the elements in the inserted views. Among the dimension options, there are features that allow us to select points of the elements in the view in order to dimension their distance, their area, or the angle they are at. In the Edit group, we have options to edit any of the arranged graphical elements, as well as to move them, reposition them, or delete them. Finally, in the Sheets section, we can print the desired sheets. In the pop-up window, when selecting the printing device, we can save it as a PDF, DXF, DWG file, or print it directly. When we have finished editing the sheets for the part, we can click on Save and exit the window.